Hey guys, it's me, Jay, and today we're going to be playing FNAF 2 again, because some of you guys have requested it. That's what we're going to do. I think I just killed your eyes. I think I just killed your ears again. That happened all the way up there. I'm sorry. But let's try this again. We're getting back to it. To the point, checking all of our cameras, muting the call. All that deal. Yeah, the channel Rejected Ninja, the guy from Rejected Ninja. You can check out his channel too. He's just starting YouTube, I guess, again. Many people are just starting YouTube, but I've been YouTube for a while. I just make crappy videos. Check. The real thing I should worry about is just these guys. Whenever they leave, I have to start checking these guys. So I'm just gonna sit here and talk to you guys. So, how's it going? Good? Totally forgot about that. I'm playing FNAF 3 a lot, so I never really know. Okay, so Bonnie has left. And Kika. And Blue Boy. There's Bonnie. Sorry for the no commentary. I'm just concentrating on the person today. Ha ha ha. But, man, this guy's a real heavy breather. He's got something else in there. Okay, keep us closer. So I'm probably gonna die here. You know that. Just gonna wait until he leaves. Because I like when people leave. They make me feel at home. You know what I'm saying? I was being kind of loud. Go away, Chica. See if we can find some rare screens. I can hear Foxy, but I don't see Foxy. Not for Freddy's around here. This is gonna be so tense, buddy. This is gonna be so tense, buddy. It's 3 a.m. Just give me some pride. You get all the animatronics coming to my office. This is gonna be bad. Real bad. I think it's open. Oh, crap. He's moved. He's in my department. Please leave. I pray to the Lord that he leaves. The problem is you can't do them. Oh, play game. How about escape? I escape for that. Whoa. Ooh. These mini games sucked. And like that. Don't you know? Oh. That's the end of that. Okay, well. That's gonna be the end of today's episode of 5 Minutes Praise 2. Hope you like the video. Please enjoy. So, like and subscribe, I guess. Slap a subscribe, slap a like, all that stuff. Maybe I can do some more videos for you guys. Maybe if not one video, that'd be nice. Well, I'll see you another day, guys. Not Twitch. Mess up.